stopping by, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Today we are going to be doing a keto fried ravioli that you can dip in marinara sauce, and it's crunchy and crispy and filled with cheesy goodness. So if you want to know how I make it, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so if you did not see my jalapeno poppers video, I will link that somewhere in the cards and in the description box so that you can see that. But what I'm basically going to be doing is using the same dough rolled out and make little pockets out of them, but the filling is going to be different. And so I'm going to take you into my kitchen and show you how I make it and how easy it is and what they look like, and they're just delicious. So take a look. Okay, so it's that simple. It kind of tastes like a mozzarella stick that's stuffed with ricotta and mozzarella and Parmesan cheese and some Italian seasoning. That was basically the filling. And it just tastes so good dipped in a marinara. The Rao's marinara is the one I use because it has the lowest carbs that I can find on the store shelves. You can get that at Kroger and at Walmart, and they even have a spicy one that's really good. I just made meatballs with that, super good. So check that out in Walmart or Kroger or wherever they sell Rao's sauces and give this a shot. I think that you will not be disappointed in this. It tastes so good. It's kind of like a fried mozzarella stick, really. Not really ravioli, it's not pasta-like, but it's the closest thing to fried ravioli that I used to make normal stuff with. So I hope that you'll try this out, and I hope that you have found this video informative and helpful. And if you have, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is on a low-carb journey as well that might be interested in making this recipe. Please hit that subscribe button right down here and hit the bell so you're notified of every video I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.